Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a 1920s Case Model C tractor, and this is die-cast metal, and it's from ERTL. And I can show you the scale. Here's my hand. I'm not sure what scale this is. I think this is 1/18 scale, but I'm not 100% positive. I'm pretty sure that's about the scale of it. So this is I made this for a friend of mine, and it was pretty much all over like a medium gray with bright red wheels, and I took it and weathered it up and did a few modifications to it to kind of make it look a little more realistic, because the ERTL one was pretty simplistic. So I can give you a quick rundown things I did to it. Just let's see here, the starter handle here that I added, the screen for the front here, the radiator there was added, and I added the exhaust pipe. That there wasn't anything there, it was just like a little nipple sticking out. So we'll go ahead and spin it around and take a look at it. He hasn't seen it yet, so I'm hoping he likes it. Try to get a better angle here. I added there's a patch there on the fender I added. It's kind of like a tongue-in-cheek thing there. It's John Deere green sheet metal patch. So all in all, I think it turned out pretty decent. These are pretty heavy. When you pick one of them up, they have some weight to them. These aren't very detailed, as you can see. So just going in and weathering one of them up, from a distance, it looks a lot better. Granted, it's no, it's not like a Tamiya model or something, or it's not going to be very detailed. So there you go. That's the Case Model C tractor from ERTL. And I'm not sure what the circa this is. Like, I don't know when the actual toy was made. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully a friend of mine who I did this for likes it. So we'll see. It's getting delivered tomorrow or the next day. So hopefully he digs it. All right. Until next time, thanks for letting me share this with you. And I know it's not an exotic car, and so some of you might be disappointed, but I take on other, all kinds of challenges. All right, so thanks for checking it out, and we'll talk to you guys later. All right, see you now. Bye.